So I got to the point where I filled in all of the background. Now I wanted to show you how I'm cleaning up the edges and adding some variety with the line. You can see how I finished this side and I left this side empty. What I'm doing is I'm going through and I'm outlining the different colors and the different value changes that I see. And that gives it a little bit more variety, but I'm not doing that in the background, okay? In the negative space, I'm only doing it on the over the woven pieces. Also, I am outlining with a very thin line and cleaning up the edges to make it look nice and crisp and sharp. But I don't want it to be so noticeable that there's a line. I want it to look like there's a shadow next to it. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my pen and I'm putting my pen down and I'm not picking it up until I'm done with the line. And I'm making sure I'm very neat and have a complete line that just doesn't stop. Okay? Then I'm going to go on this side and I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm taking my time trying to get a nice crisp edge. I'm not bearing down too hard because I don't want a thick line. I want it to look more like a shadow that's coming out. So you should do that everywhere first. Take your time and just go around the edge of it and just make it nice and crisp and sharp. Notice I'm not picking up my pen until I'm done with that section. Now, that's showing you how to clean up the edges. Now I want you to start outlining where you see the separation in colors and the separation in value changes. Because you can see how this like circle shape starts over here but continues down through here. So I'm going to continue that. You need to take your time doing it. Don't just throw lines around it. Take your time and make them nice, sharp lines. I'm barely touching the paper to get a little bit thinner line. And then that way you're getting the brush strokes, the big patterns and brush strokes that we did from the original painting. So you see how this bluish green goes down into this side? And I see a streak of orange coming this way. And I'm outlining different value changes that I see. This will really make it the painting come alive and give more pop to it and interest to it. Okay, so I think you get the idea. So I'm going to finish this out and I'll see y'all on the next project.